Right now, you are probably thinking, is it really possible to learn English 300% faster? Yes, it is. Let's see how. Hello everyone. I have come for you guys with an amazing video that's gonna help you out to speak English freely without any hesitation. The question is, what to do to improve your English? Don't worry, I am here to help you out. In this video, I am going to give you some amazing tips and tricks. American researchers have concluded that watching English television shows helps you grow your English exponentially. If you watch a good English series, it will be hard to stop watching. You will spend hours and hours listening English without even noticing how much you have improved. If you are a beginner, use English subtitles while watching English shows. Myself, Usama. Welcome to Usama Official. Today I will recommend you best shows that will help you in learning English. Name of this amazing mind-blowing show is 13 Reasons Why. This TV show is suspenseful, surprising and most important, unblinking. In the beginning of this show, the heroine commits suicide. This is the story of the girl named Hannah Baker. Her friend Claire receives a box of tapes recorded by Hannah before committing suicide. You will watch this show for hours and hours. And it will not be enough to find all the secrets. You know what I mean. The next show is super amazing. Name of this show is Supergirl. Kara Danvers, who is Superman's biological cousin, is forced to unveil her hidden powers and protect the inhabitants when an unexpected disaster strikes National City. If you like superhero show, this is the best show. Supergirl have 5 seasons and total number of episodes are 106. Each episode is of 40 minutes. Supergirl is based on the DC Comics character. The next one coming is TV show named Arrow. Arrow is the most popular show. If you like secret vigilante shows, then you must watch this show. This TV show is about a billionaire playboy, Oliver Queen. He is also a superhero. You would love to watch this show, I know. The next show is novel-based TV show. If you like novel-based TV shows, then The Expanse is the best show for you. The Expanse is an American science fiction TV show. This show set in a future where humanity has colonized the solar system. It's a very interesting show. You would definitely like it. And I recommend you this show. Watch it till the end of the series. Now we move on to the next show that is mind-blowing. You people already know its name. The most famous TV series, Breaking Bad. If you like crime drama television series, then you are gonna love this show. It has total of 5 seasons. Total number of episodes are 62. This show is available on Netflix. But don't worry, I will show you how to download it for free in my next video. So subscribe my channel and don't forget to press on bell icon to get notification of my next video. Now moving on to the next TV series, that is Money Heist. If you like to watch thriller, mystery, suspense shows, I recommend you this show. It is available on Netflix. This series is amazing and interesting. For the next TV series, we have Prison Break. If you love watching action, crime drama television shows, then my friend, this is the best show for you. You are gonna become addict of this show if you watch it. Storyline of this show is excellent. I recommend you to watch it. Now moving on to the next, we have Unbelievable. It is also available on Netflix. If you want to watch a small television series, watch this show. You would like to watch it. As I mentioned, it is a mini series, so this series does not have large number of episodes. The episodes count for this show is only 8. Now, moving on to the next, we have TV show named You. This show is so much fun. You would love to watch it. If you haven't watched it yet, then what are you doing, man? If you want to watch a thriller television series, this is the best show ever available on Netflix. This TV show have 2 seasons, and I think the 3rd season will come very soon. And now for the next, we have TV show named The Boys. But before going on next show, I would like to tell you that my next video will be on the topic where and how to download these shows for free. If you liked my video, share it with your friends. In almost every superhero television show, heroes do good deeds. But this show is special. Think about it. If heroes use their power for evil, not for good purpose, what will happen? This is an interesting television show. You must watch it. It is available on Amazon Prime. Thank you guys for watching my video.